to explain the concept of perimeter and area. First one is introduction to perimeter. First, I will explain you the formulas of perimeter because already I explained you the concept of perimeter. First one is perimeter of a polygon is equal to sum of length of all sides. Basically, polygon means what? The figure having 3 or more than 3 sides, it is called as a polygon. And when you are going to find out the perimeter, you have to add all the sides of that figure. Then you are getting the perimeter. Perimeter of a square, perimeter of square is equal to 4 into sides. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into sides. Perimeter of square of a side is 4. If the side is A, then it is called as a, then you have to do it as a 4 into A. If you can change the value of A because A is anything. Now perimeter of rectangle, already we know that the length rectangle having 2 length and 2 breadth. That's why the formula becomes 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Perimeter of rectangle with length L, and if the rectangle having the length is L and breadth is B, then 2 into length is L. Here L is a length, that's why I wrote here, I have written here 2 into L plus 2 into breadth. Breadth is B. Next one is first one is a perimeter of rectangle is 64 centimeter. If its length is 10 centimeter, if its length is 10 centimeter, what is its breadth? Then see that its breadth is breadth by, because you have to find out breadth means you have to assume here breadth. Formula already I explained you for the rectangle, 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. I take 2 it as a common, then bracket will be length plus breadth. Okay, 2 as it is. Perimeter already mentioned in the example, that is 64 centimeter. Length is 17 centimeter plus y, because we assume breadth is as a y. Now we have to find out the value of y, means we have to divide both the side 2. Then 2 here 2 will be cancelled, and here in the right hand side there will be 64 divided by 2. Then it will be, if these 2 and these 2 will be cancelled, then 17 plus y will be remain. 17 plus y is equal to 32. If you do then 70, we have to find out the value of y only, means you have to subtract 17 from both the sides. Means here 17 will be cancelled, and 32 minus 17 means 15 centimeter. If they mention in the centimeter, we have to mention it in the centimeter. And the concluding statement will be, the breadth of the rectangle is 15 centimeter. Now we are moving towards the next question. The perimeter of rectangle of length 28 centimeter and breadth 20 centimeter is equal to the perimeter of a square. What is the length of the side of that square? Means here they have mentioned that perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square is the same, and in the rectangle they have given you the length and breadth. Means you have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle first, and whatever perimeter you are getting here, that will be same to the perimeter of a square. And you know the formula for perimeter of square. By using that formula you can find out the length of a side. Perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 into length plus breadth. Length is 28 centimeter, breadth is 20. Plus 20, it will be 48. Then 48 multiplied by 2, it will be 96. If a side of that square is A, then it will be 4A is equal to 96, because already I explained you, they have mentioned that perimeter of a square and perimeter of rectangle is same. Means here you are find out perimeter of rectangle, it will be same to the perimeter of a square, and the formula for perimeter of square is what? 4A. That's why perimeter is 96 is equal to 4A. perimeter of square is 96. Means 4a is equal to 96. 4 is in the multiplication. If you want, here we have to find out the value of a, means here 4 it will be goes to right hand side as a division and you will get as a 24. That's why side of the square is 24 centimeter. Means what we did in this sum, we have done that perimeter of, first we have to find out the perimeter of rectangle, and I already mentioned in the example that perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square is same. That's why perimeter of they have mentioned the value of length and breadth of the rectangle. By using that we find here rectangle for perimeter, and that will be same to the perimeter of square, and that's why you are getting the value square, side of a square.